People find that satisfying. Users don't think that their phone are exactly the same, but most likely are. My name is Julius. I was fixing phones professionally since 2007. A few years ago, I started this TikTok channel where I started putting short clips from what I do here at work, and it's almost 7 million now. Just noticed that followers are very surprised to see how dirty actually their phones are. Watchers can't believe what they see. They don't think it's real, or they think it's one-of-a-kind situation with such a dirty phone. Those phones don't look that bad to the naked eye. I show them through the microscope. Everything looks worse under the microscope. If you would look at fingernails, you might want to go to get a manicure straight away. I've seen it all over 15 years. I'm yet to find something there that would really shock me or surprise me. I'm actually sometimes, if I see a set of AirPods, they're really bad, I kind of get excited. I can't wait to clean them out and make a video and show it to everyone and see how people react to it and how surprised they are. The dirtiness on the phones, it's supernatural. It's nothing to be surprised of and nothing really to be scared of. We don't really recommend cleaning phones at home. Of course, the outside of the phone, but I wouldn't recommend going near speakers or charging ports. We do see people trying to clean them at home and breaking those ports, and they're still coming then to a repair shop, and they just then paying more, and it takes longer to get the actual port replaced rather than just cleaned in 5 to 10 minutes. You look at it this way: you can buy a pair of scissors and give yourself a haircut. You still might have to go back to the hairdresser and they might laugh at you. I see followers commenting that the phone was taken from a rubbish bin or something like that, and they can't believe that somebody actually is using it. But every single phone on the feeds is real. Everything depends on how clean are your pockets and your hands, and that's it. Just, take a pocket. When you come back from work, clean it out. That's all it takes to keep your phone clean. Clean pockets and clean hands. That's it.